Hello everyone! Is your car's cooling fan acting weird? Maybe it's running too fast, too slow, or not turning on at all? If your OBD-II scanner has detected P0696 cooling fan 2 control circuit low, it means there's a problem with the secondary cooling fan's electrical system. Ignoring this issue could lead to engine overheating, poor AC performance, or battery drain. In this video, I'll explain what P0696 means, its symptoms, and, most importantly, where to find the affected sensors and components. Let's get started. What is P0696? The P0696 Trouble Code stands for Cooling Fan 2 Control Circuit Low. This means the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, has detected lower than expected voltage in the control circuit of the secondary cooling fan. This could cause the fan to run slower than needed, the fan to stop working entirely, overheating issues, especially in traffic or hot weather. Common symptoms of P0696: check engine light on cooling fan, running at low speed or not running at all, engine overheating in stop-and-go traffic. Weak air conditioning performance battery issues due to fan circuit problems. If you're experiencing these issues, let's locate the affected components. To diagnose P0696, check these important components. Cooling fan 2 relay. Location: inside the fuse relay box in the engine bay, near the radiator or battery. Function: controls power to the secondary cooling fan motor. Secondary cooling fan motor. Location: mounted on the radiator, either in front or behind it. Function: maintains engine cooling, especially in hot conditions. Cooling fan control module, if equipped. Location: near the radiator or attached to the fan assembly. Function: regulates fan speed based on engine temperature. Powertrain Control Module, PCM. Location: mounted on the firewall, under the dashboard, or in the engine bay. Function: controls the cooling fan operation. Cooling fan circuit wiring and connectors. Location: runs between the relay, fan motor, PCM, and battery. Function: carries power and control signals. Damaged wires can cause low voltage issues. Common causes of P0696 faulty cooling fan relay. A weak or failing relay may not provide enough power to the fan. Loose or corroded wiring. Damaged or corroded wires can cause voltage drops. Failing cooling fan motor. A weak motor may not draw enough power, causing low voltage issues. Defective cooling fan control module. If equipped, it may not be sending the right voltage. PCM malfunction. A faulty PCM could be misreading the fan circuit voltage. How to fix P0696. Step 1. Check and replace the cooling fan relay. Swap it with a working relay to test. Step 2. Inspect the cooling fan motor. Use a multimeter to check for proper voltage and operation. Step 3. Examine wiring and connectors. Look for corrosion, loose terminals, or damaged wires. Step 4. Test the cooling fan control module, if equipped. Ensure it's sending the correct voltage to the fan. Step 5. Check PCM signals. Use an OBD-II scanner to verify PCM fan control outputs. Step 6. Clear the code and test drive. Use an OBD-II scanner to reset the code and confirm the fix. Ignoring P0696 can cause engine overheating, poor AC performance, and electrical issues. Fixing it early will keep your car cool and running efficiently. For more car repair tips, check out these videos. P0644. Sensor reference voltage B circuit low. P0645. Sensor reference voltage B, circuit high. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.